You probably use these English words, but you might be pronouncing them wrong. I'm Dasha Language, and today we'll fix 10 commonly mispronounced words. Let's start. The first one is this one, a person whose job is to park cars. In American English, it's pronounced as valet. Valet. It's not valet, it's valet. The stress is at the end, and the T is not pronounced. The next word, it means a set of instructions for cooking, and in American English, it's pronounced as recipe. Recipe, not recipe or recipe. The stress is on the first syllable, and we also pronounce the last E sound. Recipe. The next word means a system of doing things. It looks very similar to the previous word we had, recipe, but it's pronounced very differently. It's regime. Regime. There's like a soft j sound at the end. It's not regime, it's regime. The next word, it means a feeling of respect, maybe with a little fear or inspiration, and it might look difficult, but it's actually just one sound. It's pronounced as awe. Awe, like a very deep awe sound. Awe. It's not oe or ou, it's awe. The next word, it means the absence of any kind of order, and it's pronounced as chaos. Chaos. So the CH in this word sounds like k, not ch. It's chaos. Word number 6 is a place where you store cars. While previous words have similar pronunciations in both British and American English, this word is pronounced very differently depending on whether it's American English or British English. In American English, it's pronounced as garage. 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 In British English, it's garage. 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 Both are correct. Word number 7. It means famous for something bad, and it's pronounced as infamous. Infamous. It's not infamous. I know it might seem like it, but it's infamous. Infamous. The next word, it means one of a kind. It only has 2 syllables and pronounced as unique. 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 It's not unique, it's unique. Unique. Word number 9. It's a company that sells and buys something, and in American English, it's pronounced as business. Business. And the first sound is very short. Business. Business. Word number 10. It means not clear, and it only has 1 syllable. It's pronounced as vague. Vague. Not vague. 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 Which word surprised you the most? Write it in the comments, and if you want to sound more natural and confident in English, I post new lessons several times a week. Subscribe so you don't miss them.